$1 bills before you spend it. This is episode 5 of this playlist. Now we're going over some $1 bills that you should really be keeping your eyes out for because they're worth a ton of money. Now a lot of people don't know what to actually look for on their $1 bill, and in this video I'm going to explain to you exactly what you should be looking for on your $1 bill. Alright, so this first one is from 1981. It's a $1 bill and it sold for $341.60. So the first thing that you really want to be looking for on your $1 bill is a star. Now, not many people actually understand that the star at the end of your serial number means that it's a replacement note. So during the printing process, sometimes mistakes happen and there's an error bill, and what they need to do at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing is reprint your bill. But in order to do that, they cannot just simply reprint the same exact bill with the same serial number. So what they do is they make a star note to replace that specific banknote. Now, not all star notes are rare. Some actually don't add any value whatsoever, but this example does because it has a rare serial number on top of the star. This is what we call an ascending ladder serial number, and it does this in batches of 2. So you can see that the serial number is broken up into 2 digits. You have 01, 02, 03, 04. That serial number is ascending or increasing as you go from left to right. That can increase the value of your $1 bill quite significantly. This $1 bill sold for $341.60. Now here's where we get a pretty big jump. $1,920 this $1 bill sold for. So if you stayed until this long in the video, good on you, because I'm about to show you something that 99.9% of people have no idea about. All right, so 1963 $1 bill. So the big thing on this specific 1963 $1 bill is going to be the fact that it is a mule note. Now you might be asking, what is a mule note? I'm glad you asked. A mule note essentially is where the back of the bill is meant to go to a different front. So this 1963 front of this bill has the back of a 1957B silver certificate. Now you might be asking, how do I know if I have a mule note? It all comes down to the back plate number. Now the back plate number can be a range of different numbers that we're going to add up on the screen right now. So what you need to know is that if you have a 1963 $1 bill, look for the back plate number. This is a very unique number, and it's how you can identify if you have a mule note or not. If you do, and it's able to grade highly, like this one by PMG at a 67, you're able to sell this one online for a lot of money. This one sold for $1,920. $2,160 for this 1981 $1 bill. Now this one is also a mule note, but understand that just because you have a mule note doesn't mean it's actually rare and valuable. There's only certain mule notes that will add value. The big value add on this 1981 $1 bill is the solid number 4 serial number. This allowed it to sell for $2,160. $2,400 for this 1977 $1 bill. Another complete sleeper $1 bill. Now we're really showing you some cherry picking $1 bills in this video, so if you're watching, we're really adding a lot of value here because, again, nobody really knows what to look for on these bills. So what you need to find on your $1 bill is this. And once again, $2,400 for a $1 bill is a lot of money. So your $1 bill must be from the series 1977A. Also, specifically, it must be from the Richmond, Virginia district. So there must be a large E on the left-hand side, and or at the start of the serial number, there must be an E there. And then it's got to be through a serial number range. That range starts off at E76 and ends at E806. There's a specific serial number range where this Natick test paper money was printed, and if you get a Natick test paper note within that specific serial number range, that is going to drastically increase the value of your $1 bill, and you're going to be able to sell it online for a lot of money, just like this person did for $2,400. All right, guys, $10,800. This is a silver certificate $1 bill. Now, 1935 $1 bill silver certificates are honestly not that rare to begin with. You can tell you have a silver certificate if it says silver certificate at the top center, and there is that blue seal on the right-hand side and serial numbers. Now, like I said, typically this banknote is not worth that much money. However, if you have a specific mule and it's a star note like this one, you're in for a real treat. Now, how do you tell if you have a mule on this example? The front plate position is on the bottom right-hand side, and you can see there's a large letter followed by a small number. What we have here is called micro font on the front, and then on the back we have macro font. That means large font. So you can see the back plate number is much larger than the front plate number, making this 1935 $1 bill silver certificate worth a ton of money because it's a star and it's a mule note and it's highly graded. This is the pinnacle when it comes to a rare rare $1 bill, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you, especially if you comment within the first 24 hours. And on top of that, we're going to give you a completely free coin and currency ebook if you don't already have it already. It is down below in the comments below. So we hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We will see you in the next episode on this series. Take care.